Hey guys, this is Mike, Allison Chains 243 here. Just doing a little bit of a time stamp before I go railfanning tomorrow. I worked the closing shift tonight, as you could see. I'm still all Mickey D's up. My manager was so nice; she let me out at 1:30, which got me home at 2. Thank God. But as you can see, it's kind of 3:30 in the AM right now, which yeah, I kind of haven't gotten to bed yet, which is a little bit of a problem, considering I'll be on the road at 5:30, which is 2 hours from now. I'm really hoping this stuff lives up to its name. 5-hour energy. Anyway, I'll check back in once I am about to leave. So yeah, this is going to be a very, very interesting day, to say the least, and I can't wait. Alright guys, right now it's 8:21 AM. We are at milepost QB131 on the CSX Berkshire Subdivision, better known as the Boston Line or the B&A. This is actually, I've never seen this spot photographed. This I might be the first one to do this spot from this vantage point up here. Took a lot more work than I thought to get to, but I think it's worth it now. I heard a horn blast about a minute ago, which is basically telling me that there is an eastbound train at Blues right now, the Lower Valley Road crossing, which is milepost 135, if I remember correctly. So, which means he's 4 miles away from me. He should be here in about 10 or 15 minutes. He's going downhill. He's obviously not gonna be flying through these curves. I don't have the ID. My radio actually has yet to go off. So yeah, I don't know what it is, but let's hope for the best.